subscribe to Android Discovery channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Apple Watch 7 launched on September 14th at the Apple event. Apple Watch 7 would have a flat-edged design much like the iPhone 13. Apple stuck with the round-edged look, however, with thinner 1.7 meters bezels than the Apple Watch 6. The new smartwatch has 20% more screen area. Larger screen size also comes with slight size increases in this year's Apple Watches, up to 41 meters and 45 meters though the smaller bezels mean the actual size isn't too much bigger. It also has an IP6X dust resistance rating to add to the WR50 water resistance rating featured in prior Apple Watches. It has the same Apple S6 chipset and 1 GB of RAM with 32 GB storage that debuted in the Apple Watch 6. Apple went out of its way to say the new watch has the same 18-hour battery life as its predecessor, suggesting it likely has the same 304 mAh battery as in the Apple Watch 6. But the watch does come with a more advanced charger for 33% faster charging, juicing up from 0% to 80% in 45 minutes. Apple Watch 7 has the same sensor suite as its predecessor, meaning those rumors about glucometers and blood pressure sensors didn't turn out to be true. But the smartwatch still has an impressive array of health monitoring features to track ECG, blood oxygen levels, heart rate, and plenty of other metrics. Apple Watch 7 also launches with watchOS 8. Apple Watch 7 will launch with watchOS 8, which should be rolling out to other Apple smartwatches in the next week. Apple Watch 7 starts at $399. Though we don't have other official prices yet, nor do we have an official Apple Watch 7 release date, just that it's coming later this fall. Apple Watch 7 comes in the expected small and large sizes, though they've been slightly expanded to 41 meters and 45 meters this time around in GPS only and 4G LTE versions. Though we don't have exact pricing aside from $399 for the 41mm GPS only model. So friends, how did you like this video? Do let us know by commenting in the comment box. And friends, if you have come to our channel for the first time, then subscribe to our channel. You will continue to get such interesting videos every day on this channel.